Well, today's weather was certainly confusing. I feel like that's a proper word to use, right?
Did you see the burst of snow where you are, or did you not really get that?
No, so I'm in New Haven County, and as soon as I woke up, I looked outside. All I saw was rain.
Well, if you missed it, you really missed something, because in Hartford it was raining at like 9 o'clock, but by 9:15 it switched to these massive flakes.
That is crazy.
That accumulated an inch and a half in just a couple hours. It was pretty impressive. But now it's all washed away, and here's a look outside tonight with the Fox 61 Storm Tracker. It is in Canton right now, and a live look at the conditions there. You can see there is some snow and slush on the roads, and as you know, Carmen, it's once you get up in elevation that we really had some issues today. And you don't have to go far from Hartford. This is just western parts of Hartford County, where we have still some pretty sloppy conditions out there right now. I'm not sure that it's Windsor, but we'll find out. I believe it's the Canton area right now. Either way, this may cause some delays in the morning, and it's something to be aware of. You can always check the closings list, which is on our website, fox61.com.
The Fox 61 Storm Tracker is sponsored by Nero Facilities Management.
All right, and the big takeaway for tomorrow morning is there will be some slick spots early, especially for those of you who have to commute around 5, 6, 7 in the morning. I think conditions should get better once crews have been out treating the roads. And if you're on the shoreline, not too concerned about you. We're not going to drop to near freezing, and we still have rain falling in spots along the shoreline. But here is a look at the Doppler radar, and you can see it's mainly from Hartford north and west, where there are some patches of snow coming down right now. Harwinton over to Canton, Simsbury, Bloomfield. Still in downtown Hartford, it's mostly rain with a little bit of wet snow that's mixing in at times. Here's a bigger look at the storm, and you can see we just have this little back edge to go through tonight with some snow showers. And once that gets out of here, we'll be in better shape tomorrow, but it will be a rather cloudy day. Right now, temperatures are pretty much above freezing just about everywhere. We're at freezing in Torrington, around freezing through the northwest hills of Hartford County as well. But on the shoreline, it's much too warm to be worried about any icing there. If you've been outside tonight, or if you've even looked out the window, you've probably felt the wind. It is gusty right now. It stays gusty tonight into the day tomorrow as well. So the snow showers continue, and there will be some slick spots out there into tomorrow morning. This is how much additional snow we're thinking. Generally speaking, a coating to an inch, but there could be some places in northern Connecticut that pick up closer to 2 inches. And if you're on the shoreline, other than some flurries, I don't think you'll get much out of this tonight or tomorrow morning. Through the day tomorrow, flurries to start. Otherwise, just a lot of clouds through the day, and there will be a gusty wind. So even though we get to about 40, the wind will add a little bit of a bite to the air coming up tomorrow. Still some slick spots for the morning commute, but your afternoon and evening commute, no problems. Mostly cloudy. There may be people on the roads, but in terms of weather issues, not much of a concern tomorrow afternoon and evening. So we'll show you the timeline. This is right now, and that rain snow line's moving south. So even on the shoreline, after about 3 in the morning, you may have some snow showers mix in. This is 6 in the morning, and notice there isn't much out there. Some flurries, a few snow showers, and that chance will continue through the mid-morning. And then by lunchtime, I think we're just generally cloudy, and it will be gusty tomorrow afternoon. We'll have some wind gusts up over 25 miles per hour, so just one thing to be aware of. For Tuesday, we have a very typical late January day on the way. High temperatures in the lower to mid-30s, a lighter wind, and we'll have a mix of clouds and sunshine coming up on Tuesday. It's dry for Tuesday. We're dry on Wednesday as well, so no weather issues really through the middle part of the week. As this area of high pressure begins shifting offshore, though, our winds start coming in out of the south for Thursday and Friday, so we'll be back up into the 40s. It looks like those days, but this system could bring us some showers beginning Thursday night, going into the day on Friday, and once it goes by, colder air will move in for the upcoming weekend. So here's a look at it all in your 7-day forecast. Snow showers continue tonight, tapering to just some flurries tomorrow morning, but some school delays are possible with slick spots early on. I think by mid to late morning, conditions should be much improved. Chilly but dry for Tuesday, seasonably chilly with highs in the low to mid 30s, partly cloudy on Wednesday, and then there comes the warm up. We're into the 40s for Thursday and Friday, and as that next system comes in with showers, they're probably mostly in the form of rain. It's not until after that front goes by that we begin to turn colder, and that looks like it happens next weekend. There was some thinking there could be a storm next weekend, but right now it looks like it forms too far offshore. Much more on what's going on out there right now and what's to come ahead at 10:30.